Brazilian forward Lucas Ribeiro Costa has officially terminated his contract with Mamelodi Sundowns FC effective 1 August 2025 in a move that has now been escalated to football's highest legal authorities. Ribeiro's final outing in Sundowns colours came at the FIFA Club World Cup, where he lit up the global stage by netting what was later voted the tournament's goals of the competition. That strike not only underlined his technical brilliance, but also heightened international interest in the 26-year-old attacker. However, his departure from Cloakop has been anything but smooth. In a statement released this week, Ribeiro confirmed he has lodged his case with the FIFA Football Tribunal, seeking clarity on the legal and financial consequences of ending his contract, and said, "I believe that I have just cause to terminate my contract with Mamelodi Sundowns FC, which I will explain before the FIFA Football Tribunal." The Brazilian insists his decision is backed by established legal precedent, citing the landmark Lesana Diarra ruling by the Court of Justice of the European Union (CJEU) as a potential game changer in his favor. That judgment strengthened protections for footballers in disputes involving contractual freedom and transfer restrictions. Ribeiro is adamant that his next employer will remain unaffected by the dispute, and that "my next club will not be involved in the matter between me and the Mamelodi Sundowns, neither from a disciplinary perspective nor financially," stressing that his family's long-term stability was central to his decision. Behind the scenes, tensions had reportedly been simmering for months. Sundowns are believed to have turned down a lucrative bid from Qatar SC, which insiders claim exceeded Ribeiro's market valuation. The forward felt that the club's hardline stance on his transfer obstructed his career progression, and said the deal became impossible due to their unreasonable expectations. "They inflated the transfer price in a way that disregarded my career and personal situation." Ribeiro is represented by Jean-Louis Dupont, one of Europe's most influential sports lawyers, best known for his role in landmark cases that reshaped football's legal framework. Dupont's involvement signals that the case could develop into a significant test of a player's rights in modern football. Should the FIFA tribunal fail to provide a satisfactory resolution, Ribeiro and his legal team are prepared to escalate the matter to the Court of Arbitration for Sports (CAS). Despite the looming legal battle, Ribeiro's attention is already turning to the future. Multiple European clubs are said to be monitoring his situation, with the player hopeful of securing a move that will allow him to continue his career without disruption. And said, "I'm focused on making decisions that further my development as a footballer while ensuring long-term stability for my family." The saga now shifts to Zurich, where the FIFA tribunal will weigh Ribeiro's claims against Sundowns' response, a case that could have ripple effect across the football transfer market. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.